Good morning, dear students. Today I have discussed about your subject, computer science. I have teach paper one, database management and system analysis. Today only discuss about the syllabus. In your syllabus of this paper, include 4 units, 2 units of database management and 2 units of system analysis. In this paper, how to manage the database by using the systems, because database means it is a collection of two or more than tables known as the database, and this database how to manage by using DBMS. And second 2 units, what is mean by system analysis, what is mean by system, and how to analyze the particular software by using the system. Therefore, in this paper include 4 units and divide the 2 units as database management and 2 units of system analysis. Now I discuss unit number 1. These units totally depend on database environments. Which is the environment include in the database? First of all, we know about the which is the basic terminology of use in database. Therefore, the first topic of this unit, basic terminology. Then, how to process the data? It is using the data processing. Then, there are two different environment using a database. Therefore, first is a traditional environment and second is a DBMS environment. Then, which are the different components of the DBMS? These components are included in the components of DBMS. Then, database creating in the DBMS, that time first of all we know about the advantages and disadvantages of DBMS. Next topic is a 3-tier architecture in unit 1. Then what do you mean by data abstractions? What is use of data abstractions? What is the meaning of DBA? It means that database administrator. And what is the function of DBA? Whole topics including the chapter number 1 in database environment. Second is the data models. What do you mean by data models? Which types of data models? Number 1, record based logical models. Number 2, object based logical models. So these are the two types of data models included in your syllabus. So therefore this is the whole topic including database environment. Okay. Next unit, depending on functional dependency and normalization. In these units include what do you mean by functional dependency, what is the use of function dependency, how to use a functional dependency. Then what do you mean by normalizations, how to use the normalization, which is the different types of normalization like 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, 4NF, 5NF. So these are the normal forms. Next topic is relational database structures. What is the structures of database relation between the different algebra? Therefore, it is include the topic is the relational algebra, types of relational algebra, which is the particular commands including the relational algebra. Then, which is the different types of code rules. Okay, so these are the topics including the view number 2, functional dependency and normalization. Okay, so now then view number 3, it is depend on the system analysis. This system analysis, it is include the what do you mean by systems, what is the definition of systems, which are the different components of the systems. Then system analysis means what? How to develop the life cycle of system. That it means SDLC. What is Paris model? How to use the Paris models? Okay. Then next topic is the information gathering tools. How to get the information by using the different tools. So therefore, what is the source? Which is the methods using the information gathering tools like interviews, questionnaires, observation, document analysis, etc. So many different information gathering tools using the system analysis. Okay. Then the what is the structures analysis of tools? It means you have to creating the structures of system, so that time which is the different tools are uses. Number 1, data flow diagrams. What do you mean by data flow diagram? Where is used data flow diagrams? Then what do you mean by data dictionary? How to manage the data in the data dictionary? How to use the decision tree? Okay. Then how to create the decision tables? Then how to use the case tools. So these are the different topics including the tools of structure analysis. Okay, so in this way this unit contain the 3 chapters. Okay, system analysis, information gathering tools and tools of structure analysis. Okay, then unit number 4, it is depend on the designing, how to design the particular system and implementations. Okay, the system designing include the first of all, what is the principle of system designing, how to input designing, how to output designing and the form designing. So these are the 3 designing including system designing. Okay, then after system designing, it is a how to implementation of designing. Okay, so that time it is use the testing. Okay, so in your syllabus, so first of all, what do you mean by testing, level of testing, which is the different levels of testing, how to nature of test data, conversion, user trainings, hardware and software selections. Okay, which is the hardware and which is the software selection using the implementations. Okay, and the next chapter is the documentation. It means different types of documentation are used in the system designing. Okay, how to measure the quality of your system designing. So therefore it is the quality assurance, then privacy, then disaster recovery plan and maintenance review. Okay, so these are the different topic including the documentation. Okay, so in this unit, first of all, it is the system designing, second is the how to implementations, and then it's a documentation. Okay, so in this way this is a total 4 units of your paper, database management and system analysis. Okay, and study material of this paper, which book will be used. Okay, like textbooks and a reference book. Okay, the textbook is a use author name Dr. A.B. Kishore. The name of books, database management system and MS Access. Okay, and the publication is the Das Ganu. Okay, second book are used are Panis 11. The name of book is Database Management System. Okay, and the publication is ISBM. Okay, and third book also it is used system analysis and designing. Okay, and that's gonna publication. Okay, in this way, three particular case book you will be use these papers. Okay, and also reference book is also used. Number one, Elias Award. Name of reference book is System Analysis and Designing. Okay, and second is Dr. Madhulika Jain. The name of book is Introduction to Database Management. Okay, so in this way, this is the reference books and the textbooks of your paper. Okay, and cover whole syllabus, both textbooks and reference books. Okay, so dear students, so today I was discuss only the syllabus of paper 1, database management and system analysis. Okay, in the next lecture I will start your number 1. Thank you very much.